Assalamu alaikum. We welcome you at amforia.pk. Today we have a very wonderful brand as far as you are looking for the sunscreen lotion, which provides continuous protection against ultraviolet A rays and ultraviolet B rays, which ultimately cause your skin with the aging effect and also the burning effects. Then you have a need of that kind of product which provide both kind of protection with the ultraviolet A and B rays. We have a sunscreen lotion with the name of SunSap-SS, which is a continuous protection with SPF 75 ultraviolet protection, and it's available on a very economical price on amforia.pk. You can use it. You can also see the ingredients, and the direction of use is apply SunSap-SS on a face exposed skin areas about half an hour before sun exposure and going outside. And ultimately, and look at the packing inside. That is a wonderful packing, beautiful packing, very clarity on the quality of the product as far as you see the packing. And now it's a time to share the price of the product, which is very economical price. You can see that 865 rupees. It cost only 865 rupees. Look at the packing, look at the benefits which I discuss, and on these kind of benefits 865 is not a very high price. It's a very economical price of SunSap-SS sunscreen lotion, which is now available at amforia.pk. Just visit amforia.pk for the original brands when you want to buy the original brands with the original price. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.